What's up in our video today? We are in Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Restore pa rin siya. At yun yung mga mumukha nila. Okay. So, bago muna pala tayo magsimula, please like and smack that subscribe button and let's start Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Help wanted, grand reopening. Event pizzeria given new life come to be. Nagbabasa pa lang. Bago daw pala ito. Bago pala daw ito. Oh wow. Paano?
Hello?
Hello, ikaw na naman.
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy
Dito na naman
Fazbear's Pizza.
tayo.
I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week
Hindi
here
na ba
to help you get started down this new and exciting career path.
Yan lang yung
Now, I want
nakaraan.
you to forget anything you may have heard
Tapos yung
about the
isa,
old location.
Bunny.
You know, some
Yung
people still have
nakaraan
a
din,
somewhat
you know.
negative
Ayun,
impression
fitness
of the
ngayon,
company.
hindi na.
That
Kita
old
ngayon,
restaurant
dati.
was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you,
Yung isa.
Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety.
Itong isa.
They've spent a small fortune on
No
these new animatronics,
way.
facial recognition, advanced mobility.
Yung
They even let them walk
ulo.
around during the day. Isn't that neat? But
Huwag mo
most
nang
importantly,
harangin. Alam ko na to.
they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a
Paano
predator
kagaya
a
ng
mile
dati?
away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its
Paano to?
kinks. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his
Ano
week
tayo gagawa
but
nito?
complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, look at you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seemed to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So
Bago.
while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room.
Oh, yo,
They
yo,
go
hello,
try to find
hello.
where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our
Hoy.
temporary solution is this. There's a music
Nangyari,
box over by
nangyari.
the prize counter.
Abla,
and
abla.
it's made to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a
Ano
while,
nangyari?
switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about robots seeing you as an endoskeleton without his costume on, and wanting to stuff you into a suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head.
Hoy, gumalaw yung isa.
You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually, anything that wanders in
nagdudurble.
will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quartz modern design of the building.
Wala si Chigi.
You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close.
Di naman siya mga nakakakot si Chigi
And
ngayon.
even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark.
Nakakatakot
I think
pala.
that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Piece of cake. Have a good night.
Ah,
I'll talk to you
hello. Pagpingin siya pa. Ulitin siya. Ba't ganun yung sound? Ganyan yung sound? Ba't ganun? Hello. Finally. Hanggang night 5 ba? Night 5 ba? Night 5. Hindi ko alam. Baka night 5. Ulit mo na yan. Kaya ako na din. Okay, hindi masyado maano. Saan ba itong kanta na to? Ay, sila. Ba't naging babae si ano? Ayun. Ba't sila nakahiga tapos ba't sira? Nasaan si Pac? Tsaka si ano? Dang! Balloon. Ay, ako nga. Wow. Ito yung sa akin. Huwag natin palampasin dyan kasi nakakatakot. Gumagalaw na, gumagalaw sila, gumagalaw. Asan yung isa? Kala ko ba isa lang yan? Hello, ayan pala yung isa. Tingin. Asan yung ano? Ayan na, gumagalaw na nga. Please, wag yung sound na yan. Uy, hello. Huwag ka mag- Ay! Oh my god. Game. My god. Natakot ako doon. Magmaskara muna pala tayo. Magmamaskara pala tayo. Jumpscare ako doon ah. Oh my god. So doon pala yung jumpscare. Ay, yung pala si Suki oh. Nakakatakot. Wow. Asan si Pac? So yung Pac na ano, orange, tapos yung Pac na nakakatakot ba ito kaya huwag ka mag-jumpscare ha? Ito na nga. Ayoko na nga. Doon. Buti walang jumpscare ng ano. Nasaan yung ano? Lalaki. Oo, mag-isa na lang siya dyan. Nasa gitna siya. Hoy! Wait lang! Sakit, sumakat balikat ko, boss. Ano to? Sumakat balikat ko, boss. Oh my god. Hi! Oh, so pag nandito na yung Fox, magmaskara na agad tayo. Alam ko na. Nakakatakot talaga. Tama, para si Pennywise o si Chiki. Maligno. Nang gagalaw. I-check natin isa-isa siyempre. Yung bata. Yung ba... Pag nasa gitna sila. Oh, yan na! Ayan na! Huminga ka muna. Sabi ko hihinga muna. Nakailang dumpster na tayo, ha? Please lang. Magbilang tayo ng 5 seconds. Ang pa talaga eh. Ay. Akala ko walang entrance dyan sa harapan. Dito sila daan. Bakit ako itong mga... Bakit ba pag nawala yung music box, doon sila mag-ano? Sa harapan? Ito na nga, ayun yung bata. Pag nandyan na si Pac, bilang tayo ng mga 3 na lang, 3 kasi doon na tayo mamamatay yata. Hindi ako mamatay. Ayun na nga. Ito na, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wala ba dito? Ay, mga! Ako na po, parang magmamaskara. Iba flashlight ba? Okay, yung attempt 1, wala na yun. Yung attempt 2 naman. Ipa-flashlight natin. Ipa-flashlight natin yan. Dito ako mag-night 3. Oh my God. Ano na, di nakakatakot. Ayun na. Magpa-flashlight tayo. So, dito na tayo magbanta. Nakakatakot. Lalo na pag si, ano, Freddy, di ko nakikita yung jump scare ni Freddy. Asan kaya yung bata? So, pag nasa gitna na, ano na natin tong ano? Ito. Hi, hello, oo, hi. Ano, tingin na tayo dito? Tingin na lang tayo dito? Wait lang. Oh, yung hirap! Wala na. Ay! Wala nang music! Nasa likod ko. Oh! Mag-flashlight ka. Mabait ka lang, no? Mabait ka lang. Huwag nang matay ako dito, mag-quit na ako. Mag-flashlight ka nga! Ay! Huwag na, ayaw ko na. Ay, ako na guys. Skip na lang natin. Di ko na alam kung anong na-next na ito. Ayoko na. At yun lang. Ano natin. At nakakatakot siya. Rate ko yung takot niya. Mga 8. Kasi nung unang jump scare, doon ako natakot talaga. Yun. At dito ko na lang yata i-end. Salamat, bye-bye. And ingat!